Imagine a world run by algorithms. They're already here. Imagine a world where machines can think and learn like humans. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's closer than you think. We're already living in a world increasingly powered by artificial intelligence, even if we don't always realize it. Remember those personalized recommendations you get on your favorite streaming platform? That's AI at work. Or how about the voice assistant on your phone? Understanding your questions and responding accurately? AI again. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is rapidly changing the world around us. But how do these machines actually learn? The answer lies in a fascinating field called deep learning, where computers learn from vast amounts of data, much like our own brains, learn from experience. Teaching machines is like teaching kids, but different. Just like humans, AI can learn in different ways. Two of the most common methods are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Think of it like teaching a child to identify different animals. In supervised learning, you show the child pictures of animals labeled with their names, like dog, cat, or elephant. The child learns by associating the image with the label. On the other hand, in unsupervised learning, you'd simply show the child a bunch of animal pictures without any labels. The child would then need to figure out the different categories on their own, perhaps by grouping animals with similar features like size, color, or shape. Both supervised and unsupervised learning play crucial roles in shaping how AI systems understand and interact with the world. Supervised learning is like having a teacher guide the AI through the learning process. We provide the AI with labeled data, meaning each piece of information comes with a predefined answer. Imagine you're teaching an AI to distinguish between pictures of apples and oranges. You'd show it a set of images, each labeled as apple or orange. The AI algorithm analyzes these images and their corresponding labels, learning the patterns that differentiate an apple from an orange. For example, it might learn that apples are generally rounder, while oranges are more textured. Once the AI has been trained on enough labeled data, it can then start making predictions on new, unseen images of apples and oranges. This ability to learn from labeled data makes supervised learning incredibly powerful for tasks like image recognition, spam detection, and even predicting stock pricing. Unsupervised learning. The explorers of data. Imagine a detective piecing together clues. That's unsupervised learning. Unlike supervised learning, unsupervised learning throws the AI into the deep end without a life preserver. Instead of neatly labeled data, the AI is presented with unlabeled data and tasked with finding hidden patterns and relationships. Think of it like giving a child a box of different colored Legos without any instructions. The child might start grouping the Legos by color, size, or shape, even without knowing what they're supposed to build. Similarly, in unsupervised learning, the AI acts like a detective, sifting through mountains of data to uncover hidden structures and insights. It might identify clusters of similar data points, discover unexpected associations, or even generate new data based on existing patterns. This exploratory nature makes unsupervised learning ideal for tasks like customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and recommendation systems, where the right answers are not always known in advance. Two sides of the same coin. Comparing supervised and unsupervised learning. Think of it like sorting mail. Labeled envelopes are easy, while supervised and unsupervised learning might seem like distinct approaches. They are more like two sides of the same coin. Both play crucial roles in shaping the capabilities of AI systems, and they often work together in complex applications. Think of it like sorting mail. Supervised learning is like sorting letters that already have addresses on them. You know exactly where each letter goes based on the label. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is like sorting through a pile of unsorted mail. You might need to look for patterns like handwriting, stamps, or postmarks to group similar letters together. Just like you might use both labeled and unlabeled mail to organize your mailbox efficiently, AI systems often leverage both supervised and unsupervised learning to solve complex problems. AI in action, from everyday life to the cosmos. AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to understanding the universe. The applications of deep learning, both supervised and unsupervised, are already transforming various aspects of our lives. From the mundane to the extraordinary, AI is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Take self-driving cars, for example. They rely heavily on supervised learning to identify objects like pedestrians, other vehicles, and traffic signals. Meanwhile, unsupervised learning helps them adapt to new driving conditions and optimize their routes based on real-time traffic patterns. In healthcare, supervised learning powers algorithms that can diagnose diseases from medical images with remarkable accuracy. At the same time, unsupervised learning helps researchers identify potential drug targets and personalize treatment plans based on patient data. Even in fields like astronomy, AI is making groundbreaking discoveries. Supervised learning helps classify celestial objects and identify potential exoplanets from telescope data. Unsupervised learning aids in analyzing vast datasets to uncover hidden patterns and gain deeper understanding of the cosmos. Shaping our future. Why understanding AI matters. The future is here, and AI is writing the story. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's becoming increasingly crucial for everyone to understand the fundamentals of this transformative technology. From the algorithms that shape our online experiences, to the machines that might one day drive our cars or perform our surgeries, AI's influence on our lives is only going to grow. Understanding the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning is just the tip of the iceberg. By grasping the basic principles of AI, we can engage in more informed conversations about its ethical implications, its potential impact on the job market, and its role in shaping the future of humanity. The future is filled with both opportunities and challenges, and AI will undoubtedly play a central role in shaping the course of events. By embracing a deeper understanding of AI, we can harness its power for good and navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world.